after we put the dirt to grade, we separate some stone here, 57 stone for slab work, and to be away from mud before rain started. You can see it is cloudy, maybe the rain will start after lunch. So here we started, the surveyor, he's here helping us to give us the center of the column or center of the piers. And we built bollard board here, we built a lot of them. And then you can see a lot of white flags. And then concrete guys, they started to mark and line up all the footers, exterior footers for that building A. So here the width 2 foot wide everywhere, and the depth is various, is different. It depends about the size of the piers. If the size of the footing is big, the depth will be deeper. Yeah, you can see different size. So the depth is like we have 1 foot 0, 1 foot 2, 1 foot 4, 1 foot 6. But as I said, the width is the same, and the depth between 1 foot 0 to up to 1 foot 6 depend about the size for the footing. And we have 3 interior footings. Okay. So the architectural drawing and structural drawing, they check for foundation size and depth per schedule, and the schedule you can find it on the rebar shop drawing. So rebar shop drawing, they gave you a section. So here they said that foundation, the depth will be 1 foot 2, for example, or 1 foot 4, or 1 foot 0. And as I said, between the 2 foundation, that will be 2 foot width and 1 foot deep. Yeah, you can find the schedule on rebar schedule. So it's everything approved from structural engineer. And here we have 3, as I said, 3 interior footings. So we have 1 here and 1 there and 1 there line up. So those line up, you can see, and we'll install wood bollard board here and there and do chalk line. And so today, after we finish surveying work and layout and mark everything, we'll start digging. So you can see the excavator on site ready. We'll start digging per drawing. And then over there we have rebar mat is built, is ready to install. Is built per rebar shop drawing. And we have anchor bolt here, those 2 wood pallet. And we will cut the plywood and drill holes for anchor bolt to put it on place. And then after lunch, after we finish digging, we'll do soil treatment for termite control. So we'll separate that, and before that, third party will come to do soil test to check everything is solid enough. So we'll do soil test for foundation, and after that we'll do soil treatment for termite control, and then we'll put plastic down and tape, then chairs and rebars and anchor bolt. And today is Monday. We set to pour concrete on Wednesday at 1 p.m. and I set for city inspection for exterior footings at 11, like 2 hours before, to make sure there's something we need to take care and make it work and some adjustments. So that's the plan, that's the schedule. And then later we'll go to the next step. We'll put more stone and then do rough plumbing, electrical and fire line for riser, step up inside the building, put a sleeve, and then put wire mesh and chair and plastic. And before we put plastic, we'll do termite control again. We'll do termite before we put plastic. It's immediately before we put the plastic. We'll do soil treatment or termite control, then put the plastic to cover it and make sure weather is good, no rain. Okay guys, So, and over there we are working to building pad D and C. So this one is building pad A, and we'll go from there, you know. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Just to show you here, that's a pin here. That's the finished floor elevation, the top elevation for slab. So that is 8 inches higher. 8 inches, the top is the top of slab. So we have 4 inches stone and 4 inches concrete for a slab. Thank you guys, bye.